YouTube and we saying, bro. Today is Friday, not Saturday actually. I'm going to the car meet. I'm getting ready. I just got ready for the car meet. As you man can see, a calm, simple black. But yeah, I'm late actually. My girl is already there. I'm supposed to meet her, but unfortunately today I'm going by motor, bro. Like it was planned. They refused to give me the car. I don't know why. Like all of the cars are taken. My auntie's taken one. My mom's taken one. Everything's taken. So, and the way I planned all of this, like during the whole week, I told myself, so boom, I'm gonna have the car, go to the car meet, go to the Intruti stuff, the KFK thing. But now it's not even guaranteed that I'm going to the KFK thing because I don't have a car, bro. I'm not gonna take motor there and motor there as well. Nah, I'm not doing that. But yeah, let's head out, bro. I don't wanna keep her waiting. Yeah, man. It's mad people there. I didn't expect it to be like this. But I'm about to go with my girl. Yeah. See you, man. There. The fuck is this one doing in here, bro? But the cars that are here are so they're good, but there's only like what 5 or 4. I thought if there's a whole show, I'm gonna be so disappointed. This should gotta be one of the best cars I've seen, bro. I love this place so much. But look, you prefer the X6 Sun though. Let me show you. I'm recording on Snapchat right now. This is a new one. Alright, this is really underrated, gang. This car is really underrated. It's tough too. And the car that's also not getting enough noise. This one right here. It's not getting enough noise. And it's tough too. Maybe it's because it's old and shit, but it's tough. I'm too slimy, my brother, my twin. Kicking off a break and explain how I feel. Yeah, this block got no safety.
you flinch, I'm a crush, I should group badness. Young dream is the team, young dream is the team. Girl, wine for me now, quick time for me now. Bend up your back and just move on for the crowd.
This guy's tough, bro.
This life I chose. I let me dog them fit, them a push kilos. Yeah, rich hard, I tell Babylon so. Couple killers on the block, them my 5-0. Got beer rifle, them tall like tree. Chip got large, I'm some bust. We a whole couple vibe in a HQ. That boy there must be mad, same this who. Them boy a broke dog, gonna pre you. That Benz fully tint, can't see through. Him get 29 face, dog me no care. Suit fully talk, no rise up a kid. Any anything I'm busy, I'm like. Toro cuffling, but chilling in time. Yeah, they have me time, them chop on the daily. Money for make millions, for me pick me. Hey boy, that be nice for me head check. The rifle I was 5.56. Name of it, I be clean, yeah, got head off it, I'm all living like a showers. Jumping in the Benz, quick, skate off. We ain't broke niggas, baby, I live melee. Hey, again, I'm in the booth, I'm trying to find another hit. Again, I'm superstar, I cannot let stay with a blick. I'm from the block, but you get shy if you think you the shit. Oh, it's me and my bro at 30 and licks. I'm a soldier, came out from the jungle for real. It's like real like GTA, this shit be for real.
If you guys look up there, bro, that nigga is from having sex. I know he has a bitch in his room right now. Yeah. I know he has a girl in his room. My pants are falling.
Hi guys.
I don't know, you talk to them.
Tell them how cool I am.
How popular?
Cool.
The coolest girl in the world. So boom, TikTok, YouTube. Went to watch some football for a bit. But right now we're headed back to the cars. I'm not faster than the cars. You know I'm pushing that, right?
Yeah.
Do I look like I give a fuck? Good God. Good job, buddy. Good job. Keep it ready.
So I feel it.
So guys, my story is finished. So I'm using my girlfriend's phone. Right now.
Your buddy from me.
So right now it's not what we expected, but it's calm too. It's good as well. It's not that bad. But yeah, Kipadi's is killing everybody with this shit. Shit is tough. But they brought a fucking Mustang. Nobody's trying to see a fucking Mustang. Well, go on. We'll see shortly in a minute. So boom, guys. So guys. Yeah. So as you guys know, Brianna had a promise ring that I'd gotten her like 6 months into a year into the relationship. But then something happened. I made it, ended up stealing it. So you know me, I have to up my game. And
Who stole it?
the maid, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I had to up my game.
See this video, I hate you for stealing my ring.
Hey, let me show you guys the ring. Okay. I'm gonna put it on the finger. Fuck this nigga listening to me. One second. So, this is the ring. It's nothing too big. It's pretty, right? Brenda is pretty, right? Let's hope it fits. You didn't even try it out. Thank the Lord, man. That's pretty right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hang on, say man, we just made it to the Intruti shit, man. My girl, she's paying for the parking because we're gonna go park in the Intruti garage. I mean the Intruti parking lot. But I need to get a charger. I'm gonna buy a charger ASAP, and my storage is full, so I'm gonna be recording on Snap. So yeah, bye guys. It's a blast. It's a blast. We're having fun. So yeah, she's right here. Look how pretty she is. But yeah, come on, let's do it. It is 12 a.m. right now. Me and my girl left the cookout, but both of our phones were off. I didn't have no way of recording. And I ended up going to my mom's crib in Caleza, and I realized I didn't have my charger. I didn't have no charger, so I went to my uncle's yard in Kanombe, picked up a charger, and now I'm on my way back to my mom's yard. So yeah, I just stopped by this gas station to pick up like an energy drink or something, because I am tired as shit. So I'm gonna pick up an energy drink and step up. Parked a little bit too close to this car, but I'm gonna get my car. Yeah, hold on. Definitely parked way too close to him. Let me move it. Dream is officially secured. Got a Red Bull. It's nice and cold. Yeah. Now I'm head home. I'm gonna drink this first, then head home. Yeah. I left it up on the roof. I've seen a lot of people do that in movies, but like, they just like enter the car and leave their drink in the whatever. Let me fix that real quick. Sunday now.
Can you read it?
Just came back from church. Fuck it. My shit is raw and uncut, gang. This is my life. There's no redo, there's no nothing like that.
My nigga's cool. What's up, but you're using the bike.
Nice, calm, gang. But hey, just made it to Andy crib. You guys can see. This is location KG291, house number 8. So, yeah. What are we doing here?
The vibes. We're here to see Andy for himself. We review our states and shit.
For sure, for sure.
Piece and then we talk to his pops. Then we step.
For sure. So, I think I'll even record tomorrow because I have to go to Mahoro tomorrow. Watch Kenya ball, bro.
Oh shit.
These niggas are fucking ass.
Take a seat, nigga.
If I stay bro.
See, this is what I don't like.
Just take a seat.
Made it to on the crib, man. What we saying, man?
You're zooming again in my face, huh?
No, it's not. That's zoomed in your face. Show me this.
No, wait.
When you review a boy.
I'm on YouTube. Just bro, focus, bro.
I think it's gay.
Keep recording, wait.
No. Raw and uncut, man.
Can you let me freshen up and start recording? Because I don't look.
You never look fresh.
Okay.
How you come with this? I think it's
What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do?
We've never
Am I supposed to fight it?
The babas,
Niggas in a donut, bro. On some random ass cycles. You want to take us out?
In this little spot, there's a thing. There's a Q&A shit.
Yeah. Hey man, say man. Today is Monday. We're about to showcase I'm a horror man and I'm gonna rematch the finals. You guys can see we have wikis and everything. This nigga right here on the phone. Teacher's over there running.
They're all showing 151.
But yeah, it's some horror right
Hey, no, that's the sheet. That's the area.
It's loud in there. Kenya won.
That's the
4-0.
area. Huh?
That's fine. That's fine. Wait, that's tough. Hey man, safe man. Today the day is Thursday. I haven't been pick up the camera since Monday. I'm headed to home to try and get my perfume back that they took in the first time. I think. Yeah. Let me try and get there. If I don't get it, then raps, gang, raps. See, there's no hair about this car. I have to open it, unlock it, do all this things, but yeah, I'm gonna hear you man in a bit. And I just left school. Some calm shit. Right now I'm at Lawn's crib. I left my standard cup here. So I'm about to get in. Nigga, open, bro.
No.
Wallah, I'm not gonna put you in.
Last time you said the G, I said the God.
On my mom's life. I'm not putting you in. It's recording me. Again. Anyways, London don't want to be in the camera, so calm. YouTube, man, it is the next day. I just left my mom's crib. I came back home. I got treated though. Right now, I'm about to head to church. Yeah. But first, I'm gonna go get a haircut because I desperately need one. As you man can see. Okay, not desperately, but I do need one. You man can't even see that I need one, but I actually need. So I'm gonna go and do that, and then I head to church. Yeah, I'm late. Let's go. Eh man, c'est man. La famille on vient de finir à la prière. Maintenant on rentre. Non, en fait on part chez le on va manger quelque chose et puis on rentre.
Where you guys?
Là maintenant il parle à la FMB, hein.
At the what?
So yeah, anyways, we're about to go to the one's house.
What does that mean?
For the non-French speakers. So
What's the thing?
yeah. So we're about to go and eat and shit.
You're at KFC.
What?
The sink.
What sink? There's 2 sinks.
Which one?
Well, anyways, you know, we'll cut you guys up.
We're saying the true north
If
one.
wants
The
to be
true
at
north
thing.
one.
If Lance wants to be in the camera, but I don't think he will. But yeah, we'll meet you guys at the one thing.
Oh, coupier, bro!
Coach, see where you guys are.
Yeah, wait.
Coach, so YouTube, this is where this teacher is. Where is Kevin?
Look at Stizzy instead of
See,
where is he?
you see, I can see you, Kevin, too. That's not.
That's not Kevin. Kevin ain't here, bro.
Fuck, Kevin is not here. Fuck.
He went to chill with girls
Ah, okay.
after church.
Yeah, for sure. As we went to church,
Imagine.
but Kevin went to chill with girls.
Imagine. That's what going home.
We're going home. Hello, Miss. Thank you.
They are lying. Come.
I think you're Sean asking for a ride.
Why, bro?
Nothing.
Why, bro?
Nothing, bro. You can't find no ride. We're all going home. That's teacher right there. Everybody's trying to go home. Sean is asking for rides. Like, this nigga gotta be one of the funniest niggas I've ever seen, bro. Let me follow this bit. But nah, I'm actually passing. I'm actually going to Simba. I'm gonna buy something to drink, something small to drink, or some calm shit. But look at all of these cars, bro. It's like, what the fuck? And there's more back there too. I don't even know how the fuck I'm gonna pass. What the fuck is this nigga doing? What the fuck is this nigga doing? Get the fuck out. Alright, hold on. Oh, I'm gonna see what they are to, man. But hey, man. My fault for putting my hand up in the screen like that. But, I don't think y'all will even hear me properly, so. Wait, what if I just like, yeah, just hold it here. So yeah, niggas, this is why I parked with them and I enter Simba. Yo!
You know the fuel.
We go.
No, I'm going to the one now.
Which one? Go to this one. The SP.
Rwanda utility regulations.
Alright, that's great. They couldn't even do 10 a.m.
Damn! 2K 300 a liter. Damn.
Yeah, but me, I'm full. But I have full tank.
I hope his thing breaks.
They feel going next to the
Bro, I don't have Pearl Perk, but god damn, bro, fuck it, man. Fuck it, man. Fuck it. I'm saying, fuck it, man. Who the fuck is gonna chat to me, bro? I left my keys in the car. I'm finished. These keys at right there. Come on. Bye. Right, come on, let's do it. Let's go get something to drink, man. Too thirsty. But I gotta stop recording because my phone's gonna turn off if I get a drink. So I'm gonna pick up the camera after I go my drink. Hey man, say man. Got my shit. I'm little Fanta. Oh. So right now I think straight home, bro. But you know, you see the gas prices are increasing. If my mom was here, she would have said it's Donald Trump for some reason. But yeah, I think I'm gonna head home now. I think I found my auntie home. I think so, I'm not sure, but most probably. Yeah, but church was amazing though. Church was amazing. And mind you, I thought we were done fasting and all of that because they said, what, 5 days? And it started on Monday too. So I thought it was like Monday till Friday. And then they say, we're breaking our fast on Sunday. So I'm like, oh shit. Get that. So the fuck's wrong with my speaker? The fuck? No wonder my shit. That's why my phone wasn't charging. Alright, I'm gonna catch y'all at the crib, bro. Oh, hey man, save. It is Saturday today. The last time I recorded, I don't remember when it was, but I wanted to end the video here. As you guys can see, I'm with the one and only, the coolest girl in the world, Brianna Shekina. Yeah, my girlfriend, my beautiful girlfriend. So yeah, this is the outro right here. This was a very, very long video, by the way, so you guys have to watch the whole thing, like the whole thing. I'm gonna try to make it like I'm gonna show you. That's it.
But yeah, guys, bye.
YBS. Me and my dad them. Me and my dad them chop on the daily. Money for make millions from pick me. Hey boy, that be nice for me head chip. The rifle about 5.56. Ain't nothing to be Kenya gara. Ain't nothing to man if I like a shower. Jumping in best quick skater. We ain't broke niggas, baby, all them mela. Be a cool Martin V, me a beat. I'm me with jeans to the clocks on the feet. Let me light up a split as I'm pouring up lean. YBS, I'm too slimy, my brother, my twin. I'm kicking off a perk and explain how I feel. Yeah, this Glock got no safety, you flinch, I'm a clutch. I should group badness, young dream is the team. Young dream is the team. Girl, wine for me now, quick time for me now. Bend up your back and just move on for the crowd. This life I chose. I like my dog, them fit, them I push kilos. Yeah, Richard, I tell Babylon so. Couple killers, man, they block them, my 5-0. Got beer rifle, them tall like tree. Chip got nah jumps, I'm a bust. We a whole couple vibe in a HQ. That boy there must be mad, same this who. Them boy a broke dog when I pray you. That Benz fully think can't see through. And get them the 9 fears, dog me no care. I'm suit fully dark, no rise up a kid. Any till embassy on them lies. Total preferring but chilling in time. Yeah, they have a dog, them chop on the daily. Money for make millions from pick me. Hey boy, that be nice for me head check. The rifle I was 5.56. Name of it a big king, yeah, gotta. Head off a time I live in the get showers. Jumping in the Benz, quick skate off. We ain't broke niggas, baby, I live man. Hey, again I'm in the booth, I'm trying to find another hit. Again I'm superstar, I cannot last stay with a blick. I'm from the block where you get shy.